guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing a eBay unboxing of a phone lot of 4 that I picked up on eBay. It was right around $20 if I remember right again. I'll have to double check on all that. There we go. So let's take a look inside this one. We have the, I think it's the Pantech Jest. Let's take a look at the model number. Pantech TXT 8040 VW, which is Verizon Wireless, I'm pretty sure. PCB is who makes Pantech. This one has no power, it's probably dead. Let's see if I can find a charger for it. Here is this one. Its charger. Looks like it is a proprietary LG charger. Here is the docking station for this LG device. Let's go and take a look, see what it is. The LG VX3100. And as you can see, no power as well. Haven't actually seen one of these before though, so that's basically the whole reason I bought this lot, was for this one right here. There it is, docked in its little station. And here's another one. I think I already have one of these if I remember right. This one looks to be in pretty good shape though. The LG VX5200. I think I have one of these. I think the one I had might have had a broken charging port if I remember right. I'll have to look up to my videos and see if I have it posted or not. But there's that one. Here is a Pantech charger. This is for the Jest, I think it is. There's the charging port. Well, that takes the micro USB. Okay, well, this one goes to something. It's PCB. I wonder if it fits this UT Starcom I just got. Oh, looky there. Alrighty, well, there's that. And then oh, it fits this one right here. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. There you go. And this is a, I think I have one of these as well, but I'm pretty sure it's cracked. If I remember right. The front one is cracked as well. CDMA 8975 PTT, which is push to talk. Indicators red on the battery. So it looks like it has some signs of water damage. But yeah, I'll go ahead and do an update video, guys, sometime on all these ones that I've been getting and keep you up to date. So hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next one.